Hi everybody, welcome to my show, Singing with Lauren. Today is going to be a little different because this is the first of 3 videos for my 21-day Singing Babe Practice Challenge that are going to help you warm up for your daily practice. So I'm going to be doing a lot less talking than I normally do, a lot less explaining, because the explanation will be going into the lives that are going to be on Facebook. If you are watching this after January 14th, if it's still within the 3 weeks between January 14th and February 3rd, you can still join in the challenge. If you totally missed it, no worries, still request to join the group. It's a great community where we talk about singing, technique, struggles that we have as singers, and there are singers of all levels in the group. And that link is in the description below. So without further ado, hit subscribe and let's get singing. As we talk about in the how to practice freebie that I made for you guys, which if you didn't get your hands on that yet, the link is also in the description. The most important thing that we start with when we practice and warm up is connecting to our breath. So we're going to do some breathing exercises. You may have seen these before, you may have not. So first, I want you to put one hand on your ribs and one hand on your stomach. And remember that in order to take a good singing breath, we need to release the stomach. So no 6-packs here, guys, no tucking, right? You gotta let it out. And we want to expand the ribs. If you need more of an explanation on that, you can go to any of my breathing videos. I have a bunch in the breathing playlist, and I'll link those below as well. But here we go. We're gonna breathe out, and now we're gonna breathe in. And in again. Great. Now we're going to exhale and we're going to inhale for 6 seconds. So ready? Exhale, inhale, and out. Let's do that again. Exhale, inhale, and out. Now you could probably see that towards the end of the 6 seconds, I kind of had hit my maximum air intake, and this started coming out a little bit, but my shoulders remained relaxed the entire time. This is a really, really important thing to notice. So when you guys are doing this, just ask yourself, are my shoulders rising or are they chill? Are they relaxed? And that's a really good place to start. If you can't do that exercise without raising up your shoulders, rewind this and do it again. And for those of you that are more experienced singers, you can inhale probably for 8, 10, 12 seconds, making sure that there is no holding of the breath at the top, but that you manage the inhalation slowly so that you can breathe all the way through to the 12 seconds or 10 or whatever you're doing, and then exhale. So now we're gonna do that one more time on 6 seconds, but instead of just letting it all out at the end, we're going to engage our abdominal wall with a s, 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 s at the end of the breath, in. So ready, exhale, inhale for 6, until you're out of breath. Personally, for me, if I'm feeling really sluggish in the morning, I'll do that for a couple minutes, just the s, 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 and making sure that you're not taking breaths in between each one, you're just letting air out to really feel what that engagement feels like on the exhalation. And that's gonna start engaging your breath support. Okay, now we're gonna move on to a simple warm up. We're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna start on middle C. Men, start an octave lower than this. Ready? And we're gonna go E. E, E, that's where we're gonna pause. That was treble C, treble, not trouble, treble C, which is 1 octave above middle C. Men, if you're a bass and baritone, you probably already had to switch in to your falsetto or your mixed head voice, depending on what style of singer you are. Women, C sharp, and D are generally the pitch that you switch into your head voice. So that's why I want to stop there, just give us a little hint of what that's going to feel like. And now we're going to work one that goes down. Same thing, actually. One more. Good. So women, that is totally in your chest voice. Men, that's definitely in your lower range. And whenever we're doing these warm-ups, guys, drop out when it starts to feel uncomfortable, okay? This is not a test. I'm not trying to test you on how high or low you can sing. And when you warm up by yourself, that's what I want you to do. I want you to stay in the middle, okay? No high C's, men or women. No high C's on the start of your warm-up, okay? I know it's tempting. Now we're gonna do this. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. And you can start by saying the vowels. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Notice that my mouth is open. I have space in my jaw here. And I have a little smile. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. I'm not going like this, but I'm not going mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Okay? And thank goodness, because I don't look very good when I do that. Okay. Let's do that one more time together now. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Sorry about that. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Okay, so that ended again on high C. Not high C, treble C. And I wanted to just point out that when you are starting from the higher note instead of the lower note, like for example, we're going mi instead of mi, me, ma, mo, mu. That's another exercise we do. When you're starting on the high side of the range, you want to not go as high. Because when you start going higher and that the high note is the first note, you have a more tendency to grip your throat. Okay, so now let's go down with that exercise. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Check in with your breath. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 One more. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Cool. Great job, guys. So we're gonna keep going. So my idea for these videos is that if you only have time for the minimum 15 minutes, which is my recommended minimum of practice time every day, that you go to these videos and this is how you do your 15 minutes. And just working on this will significantly help your voice in the 21 days. Okay, I want you to check in with your breath again. Take a couple good ones, guys. Do not cheat yourself out of these. Don't look at your phone, okay? Do these with me. One more. Very good. Okay, now we're gonna do something that requires little bursts of air. So first say with me, he, 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 he. He, 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 he. He, 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 he. Now we're gonna go like this. He, 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 he. He, 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 he. He, 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 he. Loosen up. If you're getting tight, I can actually feel myself getting a little tight. So I'm gonna take one of these. Ooh. Use the arm to help you. I love the arm. So that was a G, the G that sits right on top of the treble clef. So if you got up there, great job. If you couldn't quite get up there, that's okay. By the end of the 21 days, I seriously think that you'll be able to. If you're a woman, if you're a man, I'm sorry, I can't make that promise. But guys, you're generally singing an entire octave below me. So just so you can get that into your ear. Now we're going to do one, maybe two more. I'm not sure yet. I want you guys to say, hi, my name is, and then your name. So for me, I'm saying, hi, my name is Lauren. Hi, my name is Lauren. And I want you to say it like you are introducing yourself to someone across a crowded room. Hi, my name is Lauren. Hi, my name is Lauren. Okay, like that. Don't feel silly, just do it. 1, 2, 3. Hi, my name is Lauren. So that's how we really connect to that projected speech that is so similar to our singing. Because projected speech, like singing, is a full body activity. We can't just use here up because then we'll strain our neck muscles, and that's that tired feeling you get when you've been practicing and you feel like, oh, am I getting a sore throat? Why does my throat hurt? So that's that feeling. Okay, so now we're gonna put this to use, and we're gonna go, hi, my name is, hi, my name is Lauren. 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 Let's do it going up. Hi, my name is Lauren. 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 How'd that feel? That's what I want you to ask yourself after each one of these exercises. And in your practice journal that I made for you, I want you to write after each exercise, that exercise felt good, that exercise hurt, I couldn't feel my breath on that exercise. And then you're gonna bring those questions to me. So you can leave those questions in the comments, you can leave those questions inside of our group, but ask me them because I want to help you guys through this. I'm here for you, and I am going to make sure you have an amazing experience during this 21-day challenge. So let's do one more, and this is gonna stretch our voices, which the stretch is what you wanna leave till the very end. Okay? So like the hi, my name is, we are going to use a saying that we say almost every day. How are you today? And now I want you to slow it down. Put your hands here and say, how are you today? Ready? How are you today? How are you today? One more time. How are you today? Good. So it's gonna sound like this. How are you today? There we go. One more time. How are you today? Men, if you can't sing this a whole octave down, come in when it starts feeling comfortable because we're gonna go up. Ready? Oops. How are you today? 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 Breath. How are you today? How are you today? One more. How are you today? Awesome. I know I went a little bit over the 15 minutes, so hopefully you guys stuck with me till the end. I really hope you like this challenge. I've been putting in so much work for it, for you guys, to serve you up some amazing content. Please leave your comments below. And if you are watching this video and it's your first time doing a video with me, hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps me know who's listening and watching, and it also helps me know how to serve my audience better. Okay guys, I hope you have an amazing first week of the practice challenge, and I will see you in Singing Babe Tribe, link below. Bye.